Hi, my name is Komal from EC Info Solutions, and today we are going to talk to Shreyasi, our co founder. We are going to talk about end of life. Shreyasi, I was talking to a client today. They're still running a huge part of their portal on View 2. Their take was, it's working fine. Why should we spend the money to move to View 3 now?
Because View 2 hit its official end of life over 2 years ago. It's not just a version update anymore. You can tell them it's like owning a building where the manufacturer of the fire alarm system went out of business. You're safe today, but the moment the sensor fails, you can't buy a replacement part that fits. You end up having to replace the whole system in an emergency, which is going to cost you 3 times more.
And it's not just Vue, right? I see Node 16 and Python 3.7 on a lot of our audit reports lately.
Exactly. It's a silent pileup. If you are on Python 3.7 or older .NET versions, you're basically locked out of modern AI libraries. They won't even install. And hackers love those versions because they know the door is never going to be locked again. Look at Equifax. That wasn't a genius hack. They just had an old framework, Apache Struts, that they hadn't patched. It cost them $1.4 billion.
Insurance companies would be picky about this, right?
I'm sure. In 2026, if you're running unsupported tech like Q2 or Magento 1, your cyber insurance premiums will spike. They will see it as a pre existing condition.
I think of MERS too. Like one old server basically stopped their entire global shipping operation.
Yes, it cost them, I think, $300 million in lost revenue and recovery costs. The malware was introduced via an automatic update mechanism in one machine in Maersk's Odessa office. It compromised 45,000 PCs and 4,000 servers across 76 ports all over the world. And the company had to revert to manual, paper based operations for 2 weeks.
So, if a business leader is listening to this and wants to know their risk level, where do they start?
Don't guess, we offer a technology audit to map your red zones. At EC Info Solutions, we don't do big bang rewrites. We do modular migrations. We fix the foundation while you keep shipping.
Reach out for a 15-minute tech health check. We map out your stack, whether it is Vue, Python, or Node, and tell you what's a red zone and what's safe. So, no guesswork, just a clear roadmap.